Hi guys, I hope you're all good. Welcome back to the channel and the brand new tutorial of Metricool. Before I dive into the tutorial, I want to tell you that what Metricool is. It is basically a social media management platform where you can manage all of your social media platforms in one dashboard. You can check the analytics of the social media platforms, and you can reply to the messages and comments with Metricool, and much more. For signing up, you have to enter your email and password. Then you will get the verification email. You have to verify it with your Gmail app, and then you are good to go. After logging in, you will see this pop up on your screen where you can select your business type and then hit continue. And then you can select the reasons for which you are using Metricool. And then you will see the options to connect your social media platforms. Here you can connect your social media platforms. If you want to connect your Instagram, then it should be a professional or business account and not the personal account. You can connect other social media platforms like your personal TikTok account, your LinkedIn account, your YouTube channel, your TikTok business account, and your Twitter or X. After I connected my Instagram through my username and password, in the analytics section, I can check the analytics of my page, including my followers, the gender and age of my viewers, their demographics. On the top, you will see the inbox section. Here you can reply to the comments and messages of your social media platforms. To use the Smart Links section, you have to upgrade your plan rather than using your free plan. It allows you to add affiliate links and other links in your bio. In the top right corner, you can see 3 lines here. After clicking on it, you can see the connections option. Here, you can connect almost all of your social media, like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Blue Sky, Twitter or X, etc. Now, for publishing and scheduling your content on social media platforms, you have to come to the Planners section and click on Create Post. After that, you will be able to write a caption for your reel or post. As I only have Instagram connected with Metricool, I have written the caption for my reel, and you can select the video from your Google Drive, but you have to update your plan for it. But also you can do it for free by selecting or dragging your video from your computer or laptop. You can see I have selected the video. By clicking on the plus button, you can connect your other social media platforms, and you can manage the settings, like if you want to share your reel on your feed or not. Now, on the schedule option, you can schedule your video according to your needs by selecting the date and time on which you want to publish the video. Then you can click on schedule, and voila! Your video will be uploaded to Instagram on that specific date and time. This is my Instagram page, and you can see that the video has been published. And that's how you can schedule your content. You can try Metricool for free in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.